First ever Carson Culture at Obsessed Garage. Let's go. So weird. I'm in Florida and it is 37 degrees outside right now. I never thought I would see the Evo. It's blowing straight smoke out of the exhaust, which is crazy. But on our way to OG, I have the black Evo 10 following me. First ever event having both cars together. Should be an amazing day. Let's go. Everything's kind of getting set up. Parking lot, cars are starting to show up. So cool. Weather's perfect, blue skies, 40 something degrees. This is perfect. This is crazy to see, especially you guys know exactly where I'm gonna go. Dream right here. Oh my God. Huaysac. Insane to see here. Oh my God, and the color is just beautiful. I can't wait to own this car. This car's coming. I'm gonna put it out there in the world. I know that it's expensive, but we're gonna make it. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Man. I can't wait for it. Told me a couple of years ago that I'd be here sitting in front of all of these beauties. Like plain Forza, this was the car to have. And there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4, 5 mics and mats. And it's just crazy, like they're all over the place. Just seeing them in person just blows my mind, honestly. And I know I'm geeking out, but man, this is so beautiful. We have Aussie here, OG, real OG for the Evo people. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this car around the internet, but I always love this engine bay. It's beautiful. So run us down. What does it have? Just in case anybody knows.
Yeah, 2.3 liter stroker, FIC 2150s, dual pump, old school GTR 35R, HTA 86. On E85, 36 pounds of boost, making 650 horsepower.
Yeah, it's like one of the OGs that have been doing this for a long time, which again, respect to you, man. A lot of respect for this build and you know, this whole project. the boys came by, Evo, Subis, and Tony with the GTR. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you guys for coming. Awesome event. It's kind of getting empty now. It's already 12 something. It's crazy to see it like this, but what an awesome turnout, man, to be honest. Like really, really cool. Really cool to hang out with some people and just overall amazing experience.